Good evening. Today is day 7 of our review of the definitions of the word shalom. Once again, shalom is a Hebrew word, and we interpret it in English as peace. One of the ways that I've heard shalom described before was nothing missing, nothing broken. And I'd like to add nothing disturbing or agitating. That last component is the word tranquil or tranquility. I looked up the word. I found so many definitions and other words that describe tranquility, synonyms, if you will. Let me read some of them to you. There is placid. There is the word stable. There is the word balanced. There is the word steady. And, of course, there is the definition free from commotion. Now, we live in a very fast-paced world, and I must say that we are dealing with a significant amount of agitation swirling around us. There are political threats. There are health threats. There are weather threats. There are threats to our financial stability and security. In the midst of all of this, we need shalom. We need tranquility. My question to you today is, how are you getting tranquility into your life? Let me make a few suggestions. The first one is almost counterintuitive, and that is physical exercise. When you exercise vigorously, you actually release chemicals in your brain that help to calm you down and to make you more serene. And the other thing I would suggest is music. I've spoken about music before. I will speak about music again. I am all about the music. Part of it is because I am a musician. I was a cellist for many years in my life. I was a singer for some other years. I love music, and there is never one moment in my house where music is not playing on something in one of the rooms. Music helps to calm you down. The other thing that I will suggest is meditation and prayer. Now, I'm a person of faith, so my meditation is on the Bible, but you can choose whatever form of meditation you like. Meditation will help you to maintain your serenity and your stability, and it will help you to live a balanced life. The other thing, which I'm really not so good at, is watching what you eat. I happen to love to cook. I happen to love to eat. I happen to love to bake, and I love making desserts. So that is a real struggle for me, but I'm getting better at it. And I find that when I don't have as much sugar in my system, I'm really a lot more calm. What about you? So now I will end the 7 days of discovering the meaning, all the meanings and all the nuances of the word shalom by asking you, what are you doing to promote tranquility in your life? And what more can you do to promote even more tranquility in your life? I wish you well. We will start next with a recap of all of the meanings of the word shalom. Be blessed.